As you can see, this is my Rumble account. I've earned $1.82 in this account with 500 views of my videos. So you can see it is reachable. It's something you can do, something everybody can do. So I'm going to teach you how to register and start making money, how to sign in into Rumble account and start making money immediately. You don't require to have up to 1,000 subscribers or maybe 4,000 whatever, just like Facebook. So let's just dive in into that. Let me teach you. You go to your Play app. For those of you that are using Android, yes. As for me, I go to App Store, type in Rumble. So once you type in Rumble, you have to wait for it to, to show up. You can see it. You can see the app. I've already have it in my phone. That is why it shows open. So you will download it. Once you download it into your mobile phone, then you click on it. You can see it here. This is how it looks like. You click on it and then click on create account. So you click on create account. Once you click on create account, then the next interface will show up where you have to put your email address and your birth month, birthday, and birth year. Once you put all this, then you click on next. So put up your email address. Make sure you put the correct one. You can see all of them. Then you click on next. Wait for it. This interface will show up. So you have to verify you're a human. So you mark the box, check the box. Once you check the box, then this interface will come up where you say username, gender, and country. Make sure you put the username because in this app you cannot edit and change your username. It is not possible. You can't change your username. So make sure you put your real username. Check it very well, cross check it very well, because there is no avenue for editing at all. So any name you choose here is the name that is going to remain till the end of the word. You put your gender, you put your country, look for your country and then put in there. So I have to check and put my country of origin. Then yes, I mark the box to agree for the policy, to accept you accept their terms and condition. Then click on next. Click on next. Once you click on next, this interface will come up again where you have to verify you are human too. Then you check the box. Once you check the box, you wait for it. Check the box and wait for it. Yes, this place will come up where you have to choose a strong password for your account. Make sure it has at least 8 characters, at least one lower case letter, at least one uppercase letter, at least one number, and at least one special character. So you put all of that. Once you put all of that, you can see that it will check all those things that show you good for you to know that you're ready to go. So once you put your password, you have to confirm it in the second box. Confirm the password to make sure that you're using the same password you put first. You can see it. I just copied it direct and paste in the second box. I copied it and paste in the second box and they click on next. Click on next. So once you click on next, they will have to send you a code in your email address for you to verify your email address. Once they send you the code, you have to go to your email. You can see the code. I've sent it to me. Then I will have to copy the code and then write it down here. Cram it and write it down here and they click on next. You click on next. Once you click on next, the next interface will come up where you have to, check that you're still human. Yes. So click on the select all the square with the boxes. So you select the squares and then click on verify. Once you click on verify, the next interface will come up. The next interface will come up where we have to, choose the category or where you have the area of your interest. If it is rumble, games, sports, music, podcast, finance and the crypto, entertainment, and the health and science or news. So you select the one that you're interested in and then click on next. The next interface will come up. These are people, great creators on Rumble, people that are already popular on Rumble. They are not bringing it for you to select. They are bringing in them for you to select few of them. You select as many as possible. As for me, I selected all of them because I want to actually know what actually made them to be recommended to me by Rumble themselves. For me to follow the same footstep and do the right thing. Yes. Once you're done selecting all of them, you click on next. You click on next. You click on next. Then once you click on next, this interface will come up. Yes, you are in. So if you want to upload any video now, you click on this camera logo at the center of the screen down. You can see create. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to an interface where they will tell you to select upload a video. Click at the center now. You can see it. Upload a video. Upload a video from your device camera or go live. But going live, you have to need Rumble Studio. You have to download that one. So have you seen it now? So the next thing now is for you to put up your profile picture. You can see it. Account. You click on edit. So this place will come up. You have to select a picture you want to use for your profile. So you select Mr. Dockinton. You can see I've already selected my picture. So shaping it very well, balance it, and then click on choose. Once you click on choose, it will definitely appear straightforward. Then you click on save. That's if you are done putting all that things you need, like postal code, your country of origin, the state, and all that. So once you are done putting all this, then you click on save. If you click on save, everything will be there. This name is just a profile name. Yeah, profile name. You put your phone number. Then down the address where you are, the country, wherever, the street address. All this doesn't matter. So when you are done with all this, you click on save. Once you click on save, your account is ready. You can upload anytime you want, any videos, how many videos you want in a day. And then once people start watching your video, your money will start to count. Remember to put your payout where they have to pay you. That is PayPal email address, the particular email address you use for your PayPal. Then once you put it here, once your money is up to $50, you will receive your alert at 28th of every month. So try this. It is an alternative to YouTube. This is an alternative to YouTube, and this doesn't require 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. This is the best for creators who wants to start making money immediately with their content. Do not forget to subscribe in this channel and wait for my next video. Yes, we are here to be giving you updates, the latest of side hustle and online money making.